All right, so one interesting thing on this systematic way of counting the cases is that it came in pairs of 3 and 3.
Yeah.
Do you see any other way to rearrange our 6 cases so that you can put them in pairs of 3 and 3?
Let's see. Maybe you could do the cases like where the reds are in the last slot and the blues are in the last slot.
Ah, so before we were looking at the yellows and greens, but maybe a different way to look at it is
Blues and reds.
the blues and reds. Okay, so what can you tell me about the blues and reds here?
Well, if you put the blues and the reds in the last slot, you can have different positions for the first one in the first slot.
Yeah. What else do you have? Remember, in the first time around, we were looking at things that were forced. So let's look at the one. Do you want to look at the blues or do you want to look at the reds?
Let's look at the reds.
Okay. So what's forced in the reds?
Well, so the yellow, if you put the yellow somewhere, then the green and the blue is forced in the other areas.
Ah, what's forced in the blues then?
The yellows and the reds.
Not quite. What's forced in the once you put the blue in front, what do you want to do next?
Well, you have the green. You have the greens that you have the greens that you put in because they have to be to the greens. The blues have to be to the left of the greens.
Okay. And so what happens when you place the green in?
Then you only have 2 slots for the yellow and the red.
And what happens?
The yellow and the red are forced.
Okay. And so back to the reds in front. What's the thing that causes the forcing pattern?
Well, it's the yellows.
Okay. It's the yellows. And can you put them in the same order as they are up here with the blues and greens?
2 yellows. Let's do this. It goes this.
There you go.
So they're like mirror images, except you use different colors.
Yeah. So there's the pattern.
Cool.
All right. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Good work this morning. Huh?